This is my homemade maple syrup boiler. 6-inch cafeteria steamer pan, stainless steel. Siphons connecting them. The siphons sort of work. They tend to get air bubbles in them when they don't work so well, but it's not hard to fix. 5 rocket burners. These are an insulated castable refractory. They burn extremely hot and extremely clean. They're a little bit fragile. They cracked when I cast them, but it's not the end of the world. The chimney is a detail that didn't get worked out well. As you can see, there is virtually no smoke. If I fire it real hard, put lots of wood in, I can create a condition where there's too much fuel and it's oxygen starved, and at that point it'll smoke. And I've seen a 2 foot long tongue of flame coming out the top of the chimney. The box is cement, concrete, with wire in it for strength. I kind of drew up all the pieces in a CAD package and then made them. A few boo-boos. This end piece didn't quite come out right. I had to put a spacer in there of insulation. The end pieces for width are a little too wide, and the pans are kind of falling down onto some safety screws underneath. It's not the end of the world. I can fix that later. Other than that, it works really, really well. The rocket burners, this is the back side. You can see 2 of the chimneys where I don't have insulation. These chimneys are probably running somewhere between 1400 and 1700 degrees Fahrenheit. Extremely hot, as you can tell by the boiling rate. I can boil somewhere between 10 and 12 gallons an hour on this outfit. And it's working just real nice. That's next year's wood pile. The firewood I'm using, I have a friend who has a sawmill with a bandsaw, and he cut me a whole bunch of 2x2. I cut them to length, and he stacked them and dried them inside all summer. So these are bone dry. Kick this in a little bit to get some more fire. When you put a brand new piece of wood in the rocket burner, it will burst into flames within 10 seconds. So when you add more fuel, the response is almost immediate. And this is the whole enchilada.